Automating your business isn't rocket science. Let me show you where real systems begin. Not with tools, not with AI, but with a clear process. This is an onboarding checklist for a B2B cleaning company. But honestly, it could be any business. Right now, most founders handle onboarding like this. A client sends a request. You manually send an email. Someone forgets to follow up. You draft a contract from scratch, and no one's sure who's doing what. Sound familiar? Now imagine having all of that mapped out. Every step, every role, every tool, every handoff. No chaos, no guessing, no wasted time. This checklist isn't just a list. It's the seed of your operating system. From here, you can visualize the flow, delegate with clarity, automate follow-ups, and connect your tools. Now, once the checklist is clear, the next step is to see the whole process visually. I always mapping things out in space, not just as a list. Because once you add, if this, then that, a list becomes a mess. And when a process has too many steps or roles, that's a sign it needs to be split into sub-processes, each with its own logic, then connect all together. That's where diagrams help. I use a free Commanda modeler, not for automation, but for clarity. You could use Miro, Lucidchart, even mind maps. What matters is that you can see how signals move from one point to another and where's bottlenecks. Once the process is clear and visualized, then it's time to automate. Here's a small make scenario I built and a simple CRM in Notion to match. It's much lighter than the full process, but that's the point. You don't start with tools, you start with structure, and then build exactly what you need. No more, no less. At the end of the day, it all depends on your business needs. My strong advice: start with clarity, map it out, visualize it, then automate only what's needed. Don't jump to tools first. That's how people end up automating chaos. Think first, then build. That's how you get a system that works and keeps working.